Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to destination for creating beautiful, peaceful spaces right at home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever wanted to wake up surrounded by lush, vibrant greenery, but you're terrified of instantly killing any plant you bring across your threshold? You are definitely not alone. The bedroom should be a sanctuary of rest and relaxation, not a place that causes you extra stress over watering schedules and humidity levels. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the absolute best, highly resilient bedroom houseplants that are so hardy they practically take care of themselves. Get ready to discover how you can effortlessly bring nature indoors, even if you don't have a green thumb. When we talk about easy-to-care for bedroom houseplants, we are referring to specific, highly durable indoor varieties that naturally adapt to the typical conditions of a sleeping space. Unlike finicky tropical plants that demand precise humidity and constant attention, these resilient varieties easily tolerate low to moderate light conditions, fluctuating temperatures, and irregular watering schedules. Choosing these specific plants for your bedroom is an absolute game-changer for several reasons. Beyond their obvious aesthetic appeal that instantly elevates your interior styling, these hardy plants actively work to purify your indoor air by absorbing toxins and releasing fresh oxygen while you sleep. They offer all the stress-relieving and health-boosting benefits of nature without adding any demanding chores to your busy daily routine, making them the ultimate functional decor for a peaceful night's rest. You might already have houseplants adding color and life to the rest of your home, and there is no reason to stop at your bedroom door. Scientific studies have shown that plants can reduce stress and increase productivity, making your space the perfect environment to unwind after a long day. There are many low-maintenance plants for bedrooms to choose from. These 14 easy-to-care houseplants for bedroom below are particularly beautiful and easy to care for. More plants die from too much moisture than the other way around, so it's essential to avoid overwatering your plants. Keep a plastic or ceramic plant saucer below the plant. This will keep moisture from damaging carpet or wood surfaces. Above all, never let your houseplant sit in standing water. One, parlor palm. The parlor palm is an ideal bedroom companion because it prefers indirect light and grows with average home humidity, though it grows best with high humidity. Keep the soil evenly moist but never soggy or soaked. When watering, let the soil get barely dry to the touch, then water thoroughly. 2. Snake plant. Despite its unsettling name, the snake plant is a winner in terms of maintenance. Silvery striations cover the green sword-like leaves, making it a perfect indoor plant for a bedroom. And with its upright shape, it even fits into narrow spaces. Because it is a succulent, it thrives in low-moisture environments. 3. Moth orchid. A blooming orchid exudes serenity, making it the perfect indoor plant for bedrooms that are relaxing and stylish. The moth orchid is the easiest orchid to grow. Because moth orchids originate in tropical regions, they prefer high humidity and will do best in an east or west-facing window. Moth orchids bloom once a year, but expect them to stay in bloom for weeks or even months before the blossoms fall off the flower spike. Place the orchid in a saucer or cache pot to prevent any excess moisture from damaging furniture or flooring. 4. Pothos. The pothos is one of the easiest indoor plants to grow. The thick leaves store water, and its vining nature makes it easy to clip to keep at the size you like. You can grow it in almost any light condition. Keep the soil on the dry side. Pothos leaves have a light yellow or white variegation, but if you prefer solid color leaves, you select its cousin, the heartleaf philodendron, as an equally low-maintenance indoor plant for bedrooms. 5. Dracaena. Easy to care for and easy on the eyes, Dracaena grows long, slender, strappy leaves that curve attractively from a central stem. The leaves can be variegated in a variety of different colors, including pink, red, yellow, and cream. Dracaenas grow best in bright, indirect light, but will hold their color even in low-light situations, making it a perfect indoor plant for bedrooms. 6. ZZ plant. If you want a plant that performs like and even resembles an artificial one, check out the ZZ plant. Dark green, shiny leaves grow across each stalk, forming a tight yet eye-catching funnel of greenery. The ZZ plant can store water for long periods, making it a great low-maintenance houseplant option if you travel frequently or forget to water. 7. Scented geranium. Who needs dresser drawer sachets when you have a houseplant with a beautiful aroma? Scented geranium is typically grown for its aromatic leaves, which come in an astounding variety of scents, including apricot, rose, nutmeg, cinnamon, lemon, mint, pineapple, ginger, lime, coconut, chocolate, and more. This plant needs more sun than most other plants on this list, at least 4 to 6 hours each day. In lower light, the plants grow leggier. 8. Rubber tree. A rubber tree makes an attractive statement in a bright to medium light nook or corner of the bedroom, growing larger and fuller with the years. In the right conditions, they are easy to grow. Leaf drop is a sign that something is amiss with your rubber plant, but there are ways to fix it. The only thing you need to do to keep this plant's eye-catching leaves shiny is to carefully dust them once in a while. 9. Peace lily. For a serene indoor plant for a bedroom setting, choose a tranquil peace lily. This easy-to-grow gem lends a tropical feel to the room and is a good choice for gardeners inclined to overwater plants as it tolerates wetter soil than most. Its glossy green pointed leaves will grow with little care. For a neater look, remove any brown leaves or leaf tips. In the spring, small white flowers appear. Depending on the size of your plant, it is a floor plant or a tabletop plant. 10. Arrowhead vine. Almost as easy to grow as a pothos, and twice as exciting in its leaf variegation, the arrowhead vine flourishes in various light conditions. Its dark green leaves are marked with white along the veins. Some varieties show more white coloration. Use it in a hanging basket for a boho vibe, or let the soft-looking leaves trail down the side of a shelf, dresser, or armoire. 11. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant almost thrives on neglect, so if you want a pop of greenery without thinking much about it, this is the plant for you. The cast iron plant lives up to its name by being a tough and drought-tolerant houseplant, with broad, deep green leaves that tend to droop when they need water. Plus, the manageable size means you can set it on top of a dresser or place it on a pedestal for more prominence. It's an ideal plant for a bedroom decorated in any style. 12. Fiddle leaf fig. One of the most popular indoor trees thanks to its shiny, organically shaped leaves, the fiddle leaf fig provides great height and a substantial presence in a large room. Luckily, pruning is as easy as clipping branches and fertilizing. Dusting the glossy leaves is the only other care this low-maintenance plant needs, other than watering, of course. 13. Lavender. It is possible to grow lavender indoors, as long as you have a spot for it where it gets plenty of direct sunlight. Its stress-relieving scent makes it a perfect indoor plant for a bedroom. There are many different types of lavender. Choose a dwarf variety and make sure it's planted in a suitable pot. 14. Jasmine. If you don't mind a plant with highly fragrant flowers in your bedroom, try jasmine. The white blooms of this vine open at night, timing itself perfectly with your nighttime routine. Jasmine can get quite large. To keep it compact, look for a plant that is trained on a trellis. Jasmine needs at least 6 hours of bright, indirect light. In low light, the bloom will be sparse. You may not want to stop once you've started introducing greenery to your indoor spaces. Instead of just setting out potted plants, get creative with your displays. Add vining plants to bring a touch of the jungle to your home, or climbing ivy for a rambling look. Include dried flowers for long-lasting and no-maintenance care. Use your DIY skills to create hanging planters that are unique and fun. And to expand your collection, learn how to propagate your indoor plants for a low-cost way to add more greenery, or share with friends. Bringing nature into your personal sanctuary doesn't have to feel like a second job. By choosing highly resilient, forgiving varieties, you can enjoy a beautifully styled, fresh bedroom environment while doing the absolute bare minimum. Whether you live in a low-light apartment or simply tend to forget when you last picked up the watering can, there is a perfect, stress-free green companion waiting to elevate your space. Remember, indoor gardening is all about enhancing your well-being, so start small, pick 1 or 2 unkillable favorites, and watch how easily your bedroom transforms into a tranquil living oasis. If you enjoyed these low-maintenance green ideas and want to keep transforming your home, make sure to hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and click the notification bell so you never miss our weekly interior styling and plant inspiration. Drop a comment below telling us which of these bedroom plants you are planning to bring home first, or share your ultimate unkillable plant favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.